All right, so we're going to do some fraction practice. Now, I always like to do two kind of things with fraction practice, um, where I have some fractions. So this is where I get students to write what the fraction is of the colored pieces, and they can also write a fraction of the not colored in pieces. So we'll get to that in a moment. And for the other part is where I give students a fraction. So I give the fractions and they have to draw them. Okay. So what we can do is at this moment, if you want, you could always just pause the video and try these out yourself. And then you can check back, unpause it, and see the rest, because I'm just going to go over these right now. Okay. So I always start with the colored in ones for the fraction here. So there are 2 colored in out of a total of 4 pieces. Therefore, the same for the uncolored parts, 2 out of 4. Okay, same fraction. So in this one over here, we got 4 pieces colored in out of 6, and then 2 out of 6 are not colored in. And with this circle fraction here, we got 3 colored in out of 8, and then we've got 5 out of 8 not colored in. Now here's something I want you to notice with these pairs. So 2 plus 2 is 4, and that's how many pieces there are. 4 plus 2 is 6, that's how many pieces there are. 5 plus 3 is 8, that's how many total pieces there are. So they should add up when you're doing the 2 fractions of how many colored in, how many not colored in. So a little tip there for you. Now down here, creating these fractions, 4 out of 6, so I just like to simply go with rectangles. So this one I like to get a little fancy, do 3, double it, now we've got 6, color in 4. It doesn't matter where you color the 4, as long as you have 4 colored in. 1/2, so I can actually, I'm going to get really fancy right now. It's the only way you can cut up a heart with equal pieces, so 1/2. 3/5. I'm going to do it this way just to be different. Okay, you're going to have to just pretend that mine are all equal pieces. And just color in 3 of them. Now this one, I have a star beside because this one sometimes throws students for a loop, confuses them. 4 out of 4. So 4 out of 4 have to be colored. So it's just simply all of them. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, something special about this one, 4 out of 4, we've colored in all of it, or the whole thing. So 4 out of 4 is actually equal to 1 whole, because the whole thing has been colored in. So it doesn't matter what the top and bottom numbers are. If they're the same, it would be the same thing. It would be 1 whole. So if it was 6 out of 6, it's 1 whole. If it was 24 out of 24, that would be 1 whole. So think about a pizza. If you eat the whole pizza and there was 12 pieces, so that would be 12 pieces. 12 pieces were eaten. You ate the whole pizza. Or if you got the pizza delivered and it looked terrible and you weren't going to eat it, Okay, you didn't eat any of the pizza. The whole pizza is still there. So 12 out of 12 pieces were not eaten because it was disgusting or had anchovies on it or something. I don't know. Maybe broccoli. Anyway, so just a couple tips.